Here's our Z babies today. As you can see, just waking up from a nap. And let's see here. This is Zachary. Hey, Zachary. That's little Zach. Whoa, goodness gracious me. See, it won't be long that they'll be out of these crates. That was Zoe. Woo! Hey, looky here. My goodness, baby. Do you know that's the end of a table there? Oh, that's Zev. I think. No. That's Zane. There you are. You know your name, don't you, buddy? Zane. Here's Zoe again. Hello, little girl. Hello, little girl. Whoops. Yes. Oh, this is Zara. Zara and Zoe. Zara and Zoe. And there's the other little girl, Zelda. Hey, Zelda. Kitten. Oh, my goodness. Oh, he's feeling his oats. Zane is feeling his oats. They just got their bedding changed. Their mom's having a little break. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Yipes. Play in there, you monkeys. It's not safe out here. There's little Zev. Zev looks like he's gonna be a little seal boy. That's my story. Zev. Hi, buddy. Who was that? Oh, who's that? Oh my goodness. Oh, who cares? Alright, what do we got going on over here? Zoe. Oh, Zane. They all want their little face rubs. Oh my gosh, now we got Zach jumping the gate here. Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're about to lose him here. Oh, yes.